Hi staff! Let's walk through how to add a new student or family member in the staff portal. It's simple. To begin, head to the navigation menu and click on Students. Then click the Add User button. Choose the user type, individual or family, to make sure the right form fields appear. Let's first clarify the differences between the two options. Individual. This option is perfect for adding a single student. It's straightforward and designed for one person without linking to other family members or accounts. Family. This option lets you add multiple related users as part of a single family unit. Think of it like creating a household account, perfect for parents or guardians who need to link their profiles with their children or specifically with a minor child. For this tutorial, let's pick Family Account. Next, enter the full name and contact details. If you need to add a family member for the student, click Add More Users. Specify if it's a co-parent, child, or minor, and fill in their details too. For families, use same as parent's address to save time. Double-check everything to make sure it's correct, and then click Save to finish up and create the new user account. Here you can see the newly created user.